Ready for another Jack Jack adventure? Let's go! Pawpaw is teaching Jackson how to start and run the four-wheeler. Let's see if he can do it. Here we go.
Hold on.
And they're off. With a quick wave to the camera. And there they go again. Looks like Jack Jack's ready for another tractor ride. This time, we're going to ride the International Harvester, or Red Tractor to Jack Jack. I think the red one's his favorite. Let's throw some rocks into the water. Oh, you almost made it. How about a stick? Try to throw that. Ready? Oh, good try. What will Jack Jack find now? The green tractor. Let's race. Gotta check out the cool bucket first. Vroom! Tractor race. Pawpaw and Jack Jack versus Mama. Looks like Jack Jack and Pawpaw and the green tractor wins. Up next, it's Pawpaw and Jack Jack and the green tractor again versus Dada. And Dada for the win. Jack Jack is off to chase more tractors. Thanks for watching.